This board needed a lot of work done to it. I mean, look at all the cracks. So I decided to fill them. I first put down these boards to give me a bit of extra workspace. The first thing I had to do was get up all of this glue that I temporarily put in the cracks. It was going to get in the way of the new adhesive I was going to apply. I also tried patching the back, so I had to remove the glue there as well. Now it was time to fill the hole with some caulking. That's what I said. After applying it, I used a nail to make sure it really got into the wood, because this is something that I don't want to have to do again. Then I noticed there's other cracks starting to form, so I couldn't just let it go unseen. Once I'm done smoothing it all with a nail, you flip over the board of wood to get a lot more work. Now, this part was going to be a little difficult because I wanted to get the cracks, but a lot of them were in between the nails, which made it very hard. So I did my best, but I don't think it came out too well. But after finally finishing that, for the smaller cracks, I had to go in and use some wood glue. I just couldn't let them go unfilled. Now, it was time to clamp it. While the adhesive dries, it's now time we focus our attention on the cracks in the middle of the wood. Stay tuned and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow.